Hi, welcome to Wonder Eats. Today we are at stuck at home. This is still under the movement control order. But today we're gonna try out to cook a very special dish, which is actually went viral in Japan, and it's got to do with this little fellow here. Ooh. All right. So this is the KFC rice, I guess. Basically, what you do is basically you cook it. The rice and you put KFC on top, and when it's cooked, I guess you shred it and you mix it up with the rice. So I'm extremely curious how this tastes like because I've never tried it before. But today also, unlike the original video, you can probably search for it on YouTube. I'm gonna add two very unique ingredients here, which is the garlic and butter mushrooms. So I believe to add a little bit more taste and a bite to the rice itself. So the other ingredients that's required is actually the chicken stock here. So we're going to use this instead of water when we are boiling the rice. And then this is what I used to make the stock, which is the Maggi Pati Ayam. So I used 2 cubes inside here. And we're just gonna cook it over there, and we're gonna put a little bit of oil, a little drizzle them on top, and of course salt and pepper. So we're gonna add that a little bit, but very tiny bit because most of the flavors should be coming from this fella. So here we have, let me see how many pieces. All right, so here we have most of the. Oh my god! All right, so let's get cracking. First and foremost, we have the rice. It's all pre-washed here. So we're just gonna dump it, all the various ingredients, especially the stock, and to bring it up to the required level. Let's start with putting the garlic to the rice. Now I use 5 cloves of garlic. You can measure that based on your taste. Less or more as you prefer. Right, so let's mix that in, and also butter mushrooms. So there are 2 ways of going about this. Now you can either mix it out now, or you can do it once the rice is nearly cooked, and then you just put this on top, these ingredients. But I prefer to mix it at the beginning, so to give that rice the garlicky aroma. Alright, that looks just about right. Okay, and next we will add chicken stock to it. Cool. Alright, now don't worry if it's not enough, you can just add water to get it to the level that's required to cook the rice. So which right now it looks like we need to add a little bit more, which is fine. Just add it over here. Okay, here we go. Okay, that looks about right. Right, so this is where we place the chicken pieces intelligently. Now this is a thigh piece. There you go. Another thigh piece, smaller one. Here we have another, which is just nice, but I think since I have a little tiny drumstick here, so it's gonna add in a while. Look at this, oh my god, I just want to sink my teeth. Okay, never mind. So let's go, and here we go. KFC rice, right? Okay, let's put this boy in. Now this is actually a new rice cooker that I got from Tefal. Very happy with it so far. I'm not endorsing it, but very happy with it. Alright, so let's begin. Turn the power on. Alright, so it's nearly finished. So we're just gonna open this up and have a look at the chicken. Oh man. Wow, that aroma. Woo! Look at how tender that is. My goodness. Right, I'm gonna take out the chicken and debone them, so to speak. Right. Gonna take all four. Do that first. Okay. Alright. Once I debone this, I'm gonna put it back in and be right back. Alright, so I've deboned them. Now I'm just gonna break it up to smaller pieces. One thing good about using thigh and drumstick is the meat is very easy to get out of debone rather. See, it's very tender. Break this fella up and then put it back in. Right, wow, that's good use of the tummy right there. So, let's put the chicken back in. A second. Alright. There we go. Herbs and original recipe. Alright, let's mix it in with the rice. That is so aromatic. Well mixed. Let's split this up a little bit. For mission, I'm not sure whether I shared this, but basically it's about 2.5 cups of rice here. Just perfect for our family. And here we go. Let's give this a try. Here we are, first taste. Oh, man, the smell is so good. Can smell the garlic as well. Okay, I'm gonna shut up. I'm just gonna eat. Okay. I was not expecting that, really. My god, this is good. This is really, really good. That original recipe really shines through here, especially when you take a little bite of one of the skin that's lying around somewhere. But yeah, the taste is so good. I think adding the garlic was a good choice, so I encourage you all to try that. Some people prefer to put some corn or green beans and something more crunchy to give it a different flavor. Or you could fry the garlic and just sprinkle on top as well. So. But first time trying this, and I gotta say, well done to the Japanese girl or lady who thought of this, and this is great. Alright, so I'm gonna continue to do this meal while we stuck here at home, and I hope all of you are safe wherever you are. Thanks for watching again. Do subscribe to our channel, click on that bell icon, and alright, so see you guys, bye.